and unboxing Terra from Teen Titans, Starfire from Teen Titans, and my favorite Beast Boy!
Beast Boy, wait! Just want to tell you.
Start to little to big, so let's open this one. I can barely open these boxes. I'm so sorry I have to read something. So you don't need to put that in fast motion. Better get out of here, Starfire. This is my mom's favorite character. I don't know why our favorite character is Alien, but sure, whatever.
Oh wow, so soft.
This must be the containment vessel for the tomato.
And my mom will play this with me. And this is her. It'll be like a big screen with like close-ups so you can see her.
You're leaving without telling me.
I'm gonna bring Beast Boy now. Oh my god, people look so good. I want some Starfire and I want some B-Box.
Right by your side is where I'll be. You walk with me, Terra. Together let the
And Terra, the baddie, the last ones. Yeah, I do not like her because I can't fade away. Nothing I can say when I can't fade away.
The way I feel for you, the way the word I can say. What I do for you in every single day.
Na. She kind of bald and like the camera, but she won't.
But with you by my side, we will win this fight.
So Beast Boy, you change it to any animal, you know, and Terra hates Beast Boy. She forms rocks. Like imagine Beast Boy the rock. No, she actually hurts him with rocks. Starfire is like she's nice, she flies around, she's an alien, and she's part of the Teen Titans go. But she is not. She is not. She is the enemy of the Teen Titans. Okay, we're gonna be reviewing this, part 2. I have all the other characters of the Teen Titans behind me. This is the Teen Titans house. On part 2 of the review, I'll be showing you every thing in the Teen Titans house. Back to our review now. The Teen Titans pack came with 3 characters. And with these 3 characters, we can change every bottom and top. For example, I'm going to change all their bodies. Hello guys. Beast Boy, Starfire, and Terra mixed up. Terra's legs, Starfire's hands and body, and Beast Boy's head. As you can see, we can change them all around, but I want to show you one more thing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
The battle of dark and light. Take my hand.